Let's drop 2 points into the coordinate plane. Our question is simple. How far apart are they, in a straight line? The trick is to treat that segment as the hypotenuse of a right triangle. Go straight across for one leg, and straight up for the other, meeting at a right angle. The horizontal leg runs from x equals 2 to x equals 6. That's 6 minus 2, which is 4. The vertical leg runs from y equals 2 to y equals 5. That's 5 minus 2, which is 3. Now the Pythagorean theorem, the hypotenuse squared equals the sum of the squares of the two legs. 4 squared is 16, and 3 squared is 9. Together that's 25. So the distance is the square root of 25, which is exactly 5. Here's the beautiful part. This works for any 2 points at all. Call the 2 points x1, y1, and x2, y2. The legs become x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1, the very same subtractions as before. Pythagoras again. D squared equals the horizontal leg squared plus the vertical leg squared. Take the square root, and there it is, the distance formula. The square root of the quantity x2 minus x1 squared plus the quantity y2 minus y1 squared. So, to measure the distance between any 2 points, build a right triangle on the segment that joins them. The two legs are simply the differences in the x and the y coordinates, and the hypotenuse, through the Pythagorean theorem, gives you the distance.